Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share to you how to make this object or this product. Maybe you can see it. It is mountain bike, right? Okay. So this one I wanna make it. So let's follow me. Okay guys, first of all, we have to make it a file, new, and create design with a hybrid design and create new. So let's follow my dimension with a front plane, okay? So let's make it a sketch down 50 and make it align to the left like this. 15 to the right is 15 also. Make it to the left right here 15. Okay, so just connect it. Okay, like that. Make it on the other side and connect it. Okay, so let's make it align to the up 15 to the up 15 and make it the line again 50, connect it and connect it like that. So just trim all of them. Let's start to, oh sorry, I forgot something. Right here is 15, to the right is 15, so connect it and connect it. Okay, trim all of them and make it a fillet or modify. Click this one and this one, and it's gonna be like this, and enter. And also on this side, enter, and fillet this one and this one, and enter. Also the last one, this line and this line, and enter. So let's just trim this one, and this one also, and the last one is this one. Okay, let's fillet. Oh sorry, extrude. Make it 15 for the thickness. And make it as new components, okay? And okay, click this one, right click and unground from parent. Okay, let's do the next part. This one, right here, click and press L. Make it a center diameters. Make it the circle about 25 or 30. Okay, I think 30 is enough. Extrude. Pull it about 150. Okay. And start to the next part. This one. Click right here and press L. Use a rectangle, center rectangle from center. Make it, this one is 40 and this one is 80, and don't forget to make it a semicircle. Okay, from this edge to this edge and like that, and also right here. Okay, finish edge. Should make it 15. Okay. So let's go make it another part right here and enter. I'm gonna make it this one, okay? Make it the distance about 20, and from here is 22, and make it the circle about 15 This one is 15 also. Extrude both of them, make it just 50. Okay, so let's now make it this one. You can just click this face and press L and make it the center circle from here. Make it just 42. Just take a bit of here, like that, and I just wanted to turn off the components so I can see clearly the circle, okay, or the sketch. I'm gonna make it the line like this. The angle is 35 and the length of the line is 100. Okay, like that. So I just make it a line like that, about 15, and down 15 also, and connect it to this circle until you find the symbol, okay, and just click it. Also this one, like that, and trim this one, okay, like that. Okay, finish it. Okay, so let's just extrude. Okay, extrude as a new components. Make it just 20, or maybe just 15. Is okay. Okay, you got it, and enter. Turn off. Okay, so let's just make it this one also. Okay, this part. First one, click this one, and just make it the center or the circle. Just make it 30 or 35. Okay. Yeah, 35. And finish it. And I'm gonna make it extrude like that, join, and move it like that. The distance, I'm gonna make it 50. I think that's enough. Okay, so extrude this one to make it or duplicate the face, join, and with direction is to sides. Okay, just like that. 60, 35. Okay, like that. Okay, I'm gonna move it. Move. Okay, I have to make it the holes for this part. Okay, check their position. Okay, this diameter is 15, so I just make it the holes about 15.5 and just extrude to make it the holes like that. Cut it, enter. Okay, so we're gonna make it on his face. Another part, make it a circle about 15 and make it a line to the up 65 like that, and line to the left is 35, to the right is 35. So just line again, connect it like that, and make it line again, and connect it like that, and just trim. Sorry. Trim this one. Okay, like that. So just make it the semicircle. 3-point arc from here to here, and like that. Make it the radius is 45, and trim like that. Finish sketch and extrude. Click the sketch, we make it plus, and use operation is drawing, and click and change on the drawing as well on this component. Okay, make it the first is 10 and extrude. Okay, and extrude again, plot with a drawing. Okay, just make it how about 25? Okay, 30 like that. So just extrude on this face. Okay, like that, -5, and make it another one, this one. Okay, extrude to the plate like that with a drawing operation, but the direction is to sides. Okay, so I just pull it to the plate like this, and also pull it this one. Okay, like that, and okay. Okay, I think it's enough. You see? Okay, so the last part, or the last we're gonna do, we have to drawing these components. Oh, sorry, I have to make it this copy for this component. Okay, so I just right click and copy and duplicate this components. Okay, and paste here. Okay, just pull it like this and enter. So drawing the first one, you can just assemble and drawing from here to here like that. The motion is I use a revolute. Okay, the positionings I set up like this, about -35. Okay, and the motion. Okay, just like that and enter. Okay, drawing the other one, but the first one we have to move it. The positioning is like this. Okay, the angle, and okay, and then let's go to the drawings and click it and drawing right here like that. Very nice. Okay, the motions. Okay, the positionings. I'm going with -35. Okay, the motion. Let's make it the movement. Okay, just like that, and okay. Okay, finish this. But the last one I'm gonna extrude this one little bit longer. Okay, 25 and enter. I just delay like that is about 5 or 10 or just 5 and enter. Okay guys, we finished making the mountainbike rack. So the last one may be I just modify and use a physical material for this. I don't know what the material is, but how if I'm gonna make it with plastic maybe, or the rubber. Okay guys, just a random. I use a plastic, this one for the black. Okay, like that. Oh, it looks nice, like in the picture, right? Okay, like that. You see? So, maybe we can just make it this one or this one, okay? Just make it quickly. $25, extra, join, and delete like that, and also right here, center, 25, 5, no, 5, but with join, okay, join, join 5. Okay, and it's 5. And crystal materials. Okay, like that. Okay guys, easy. So you can modify your own mountain bike racks. So I just given you the sample or the prototype. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.